If you know, then you know. Oh my god, I look like a serial killer. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Asia Lorraine, and today's video is going to be a pampering skin care like routine. It's gonna be quick and simple. I don't really put much on my face. My face has been slowly, you know, clearing up. It was like way worse. Now I feel like it's getting a little bit better. So I'm just here to share you my skin routine. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video if you want to see more videos like this of me taking care of my skin. And yeah guys, comment down below what products I should try out, what will work for my face, because like right now my main focus is obviously the acne, but I do have a lot of like dark spots. So if you have any recommendations, please leave it in the comments below and I'll be happy to try them out. But anyways guys, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so the camera set up. I feel like my routine is kind of like the same thing as like my old video that I posted, which if you guys haven't seen it, click the link in the description box. I have it down there. I kind of just changed it a little bit and use less product on my face because I realized that has been like breaking me out. I only use at least 2 items on my face, which is fine. So this is going to be like a simple and quick skincare routine. So guys, if you're struggling with acne, hopefully I can help you guys out. These are the products that I use for my face and that helps. And so I'm just going to take this and put it just mainly just out the way. This is like really perfect to like keep your hair away and back. So the first thing that I use is this bar of soap. So this is the CeraVe. I put on the screen. This is CeraVe bar soap. Way better than the foaming wash, but like I mainly bought this because the foaming wash was like a lot and I didn't want to spend that much money. So I just got the bar soap and it was the best purchase that I made because this really does help with my skin. I recommend you guys use it. I literally have no breakouts. Well, I'm having a breakout right now because it's that time of the month. This part right here was clearing for me, so that's how I knew it was working. I usually just like let it air dry. So we're also going to shave our face. This to shave, this is actually my sister, she don't know. And then I'm gonna be using this razor. I don't really know how to shave. No one in the comments come for me, okay? So I'm just gonna pour this. Look at that. Disgusting. This side of my face is done. By the way, I did change the lighting, so I'm sorry if it's looking all different. And this is how my face is looking. Okay guys, so right now it's time to put on a mask. So I got this Super Green Detox Kale and Charcoal Detox Facial Mask, and this is how it looks. I can't wait to try it out. It says it also has cilantro and green tea, and clogged pores and blemishes prone skin types, and it's vegan and cruelty free. And this is how the back looks. It basically comes with instructions, so I can't wait to try it. Guys, I'm sorry about my hair. Open her up. I mean, it smells good.
Hello?
It actually smells like Starbucks. Okay, so this is, ooh. You know, it's a black mask. Okay, so this is how the mask looks. And we're just gonna put this on my face. It's very cold. I'm gonna be very gentle so it doesn't rip. This is not the right color for me to put on my face. If you know, then you know. Oh my god, I look like a serial killer. I'm also going to use a roller as well. Oh my god, I am so sorry guys. That my sister is letting me borrow. She got it from Marshall's to roll. This mask does not fit on like the full side of my face, so which is okay because it's all right. I have a big head. But guys, this is how it looks on my skin, and I look scared. Like, I legit just look so scary. Let me try to make myself presentable. That didn't help. My lips are so huge. Okay, it's kind of burning right here. Like, I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm gonna start doing this like every Thursday, like just like prepping my skin and like trying like new products and stuff like that. So if you guys are interested in that, I would definitely do it. But after I take this mask off, I'm going to see, I want to let you guys know. So it does says kick your feet up and relax for 10 to 20 minutes, remove mask and discard, period. So 10 to 20 minutes. So right now it is currently 6:39. So I'm gonna take the mask off around like 7. I don't know math, but yeah, around like 7. So yeah, it also says key ingredients to love your skin: green tea, sea kelp, vitamin C, and all of that stuff. And yeah, and then after I take it off, it just says no need to rinse your pretty face, massage remaining serum all over your face and neck. So yeah guys, I'll see you in 20 minutes to let you know my thoughts on this mask, and then we're gonna moisturize. And yeah, I look so scary. I am so sorry. Okay guys, so it's been 20 minutes, so I'm going to take this off because I literally just been scaring people. So this is how the inside looks. My girl, my skin, it looks so good. My skin looks really good. Like, it feels so fresh. I'll give this mask a 10 out of 10 for sure. So guys, I'm about to moisturize my face. Okay, so these are the products I use for my face. So if you've seen my previous video, I did show this and I did use it, and I love this so much. It's fade cream, and it's basically for fading dark marks. And like I said, I do have a problem with, like, you know, dark spots and stuff like that, because I do pop my pimples when I'm not supposed to. So now I just have a lot of like dark marks everywhere. And guys, this just doesn't work overnight. You're gonna have to use this for like a month, and maybe you'll see some like results. But I'm telling you guys, if you're patient enough, this does change the game. And then we have CeraVe. In my last video, I did use the midnight one, so I'm gonna use this one, the CeraVe Daily Moisturizer. Sorry for the weird transition. So right now, after I got done using that CeraVe Daily Moisturizer, I'm just gonna use a little bit of The Ordinary. Big fan of oils, so I just like literally like to put a drop, and that's all you need, because when I put too much of this, it makes my skin oily, and I do not like that. So I'm gonna rub this into the skin like so. But yeah guys, that is it for the video. I'm sorry if I look bummy, but my skin looks so good. Here's a close-up. My skin looks so good. So give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Comment what other videos you want to see me do. I loved all the products that I tried, and if you guys want to try it, let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.